So Adobe Premiere Pro is quite notorious for having large size of video, no matter how small the length of the video is. So let me show you how you can reduce the size of your Adobe Premiere Pro created video to a reasonable size while exporting. So you can see here I have a video of about 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and I want to export this video. I've already marked the in and the out of the video, so I'm just going to click on export. And when I click on export, you can look at certain settings here on this side of the screen. This is a preset quality, so this is set at high quality 4K. All right, this is from the last export I did, but you can actually come here and select other presets like 720p HD. Now you can see the size is 257 megabytes, for example. You can also say you want to export for 480p. Now you have 107 megabytes. But with all that, let's say we still left this at 4K. You see we have over 2 gigabytes size here. We have 2005 megabytes. So how can you go ahead to shrink the size of the video without losing quality of your video? So you scroll down here. So normally when you open up this area, it will look like this. So you click here to expand, and even after expanding there's still more here, right? You click that to see more. You can play around with a lot of these settings, but I'm just going to take us directly to this place. Target bitrate Mbps. So this is where you can actually drastically reduce the size of your video. For example, by default this is set at 80. All right, you can go ahead to use this swiper or slider to go up, but the higher you go, you realize that your video size will become much bigger. Like this is 3607 MB now, which is 3.6 gigabytes. If you go all the way up, you have over 7 gig of data. So when you now slide this back, you realize that the more you slide it back, the less the size of the video comes. So you have 683 MB now at 27.06 Mbps, megabits per second. All right, so we can actually just type in a number here. So let me say I put in 10, that, and I enter. You now see that I have 257 megabytes here. And if I want to go extreme, maybe put it at 5. Now you see I have a video size of 132. So all we have to do now is to export the video. Let's see the quality. Now the video has been successfully exported. We can now check where we exported this to. So you can see that the video now is 146 megabytes, right? When you check at the details of this video, even with the small size it has, when you right click to check the properties and you come to details, you're going to see that it's actually at 4K. The resolution here is at 4K and is at 30 frames per second. I've been able to play the video on a 4K screen and also on a 1080p screen, and obviously the video is very clean, very clear and watchable. Let's open the video and try to see. So this is the video, and you can see that it actually has a good quality, right? I don't see any blurriness. The video is actually of good quality. It's watchable even on a 1080p screen and even on a 4K screen. So this is how you can go ahead to use the settings, export settings on your Premiere Pro to drastically reduce the size of your video. I know some questions will come up like, oh, what about the Mbps? What does it do? So I'll allow you to make some research on that and see, but the truth is that reducing it does not affect your video badly, right? It doesn't make your video unwatchable, and I guess that's what all of us are actually aiming at, to make a video that can be watched, viewed on various screens comfortably. So let me know what you think. If you like the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section below. And also remember to follow me on social media at Anatotech. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.